Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hi everyone, I posted a separate video regarding the Zontes 125-150U in respect of taking off a fuel tank. But this is just a quick one, it's only a minute long, take off a fuel tank and then doing the valve clearance check afterwards. So please follow the video on because the valve check is after the fuel tank removal. Now this is the factory dealer how to do video in respect of doing a valve clearance check properly. I've been riding bikes for 47 years. I personally would start the engine, get down, have a listen. If it sounds okay, valves don't tend to need to be checked, to be honest. No matter what they say, it's just another money spinner. You would know if your valves were clackety when the engine is cold, that you put your head down where the engine is, top of the engine is, and listen, just rev the engine slightly. And if it was making clackety noises, yeah, your valves need redoing. But to be honest with you, I've never done it in 47 years of owning different bikes, lots and lots of different bikes. But here, this is how to do it actually. So this is your AD 150 125 valve check. It's an intricate engine, so you have to take out the coolant first and then take off the water pump, etc. But everything is there, easy for you to do. You got to take the top engine mount off as well as the coil, ignition coil there is taken off now to actually get to the top of the head. Quite intricate in what you've got to do, so obviously dealers would normally do this job for you. But I know some dealers, I know lads who work in dealers and say, oh yeah, came in for a valve check. We had to listen, it's fine, doesn't need doing, charging the money and off we went. So, will they do it properly when you take it to a dealer anyway? So this is how to do it if you want to do it yourself. Right, I will let you crack on and watch the video. Like I said, you got to take the engine mount off the top before you can actually get to the top of the head. Okay, I'll leave you to it. Please like, subscribe, join our journey. 1,700 videos and different playlists. So you can look at your bike, particularly you can go to any bike and look at the playlist in there and see what you want to watch. There's tons and tons, like I say, over 1,700 videos there. So please subscribe if you haven't already. If you have, thank you for joining our journey. This is Man Mick. I'm going to sign off and leave you to watch the video now and concentrate. Pause the video if you need to in respect of reading the instruction as well. It's all in English. Thank you very much. Bye for now.